welcome to the class, dear students. I think you are fine. I'm also fine. Today we will discuss a very important topic regarding a famous person in the history of the history. So let's be attentive to the class. Teacher's identity. And this is A.K.M. Abdul Hamid Bhaiya, head of the Department of English, Longodur Government College, Longodur Rangamati. Our today's lesson of our text is Unit 1, Lesson 1 of English First One. Look at the picture, and there is a freedom. There is a word we were getting here. Freedom. You must know what is freedom. Freedom means independence. Another word, a similar word. Nobody want to be born to be. Nobody wants to born days. Everybody wants his freedom. So this is a picture of a famous person. Now, who is he? Could you tell me? Regarding the picture, who is he? This is the first question to you. This is about, look at the answer, Nelson Mandela, a very popular figure. You must know, you must have heard the name, I think, earlier. This is Nelson Mandela. You are getting two pictures in the slide. One is a popular, the founder of our nation. This is Bangabandhu, and another, and beside him we are getting another man, and this is Nelson Mandela. Both the figures have some similarity in their activities of political issues. Learning outcome. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the icon, describe about discrimination, speak about Nelson Mandela and his contribution, explain multiracial democracy. Okay, now look at the picture. A smiling face means a lot of expression. Here it always seems impossible until it is done, because he did a very impossible thing. So that was almost impossible to all, but he is a very popular and famous, a special figure who made the impossible to be a possible one. Now, icon. What is icon? Icon means idol. It is a visual representation of an object or scene or person. So Nelson Mandela is an icon for the people of his country. Discrimination or apartheid. The term refers to race discrimination. Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid and struggled for everybody equal opportunity. Actually, Nelson Mandela fought for the discrimination between white men and black men. Black people do not get their legal rights, human rights, and for that reason he fought for many years. Now look at the picture. Multiracial democracy. These are the picture of children who are from different religions, and that's a multiracial democracy. Though they are from different religions or different race, but there is an unity. So democracy means, multiracial democracy means equal right and justice for everyone. You understand? The text. Nelson Mandela. Let's start our text. Nelson Mandela was a black political leader. Could you understand? A leader, political leader, but a black political leader. Discrimination here is also mentioned, of South Africa, who was imprisoned for 30 years. It's a long duration, I think. He fought against apartheid and succeeded to free the black people from racial discrimination. He became an icon of peace and reconciliation. He fought against the white domination and elected Africa's first black president in 1994. So Nelson Mandela is a very famous figure in the history of world politics. But for Africa, he was a very uncomparable figure in political field. So he fought for a long duration to solve this racial discrimination. Okay, now discussion. It's a group discussion for the students. With which leader of Bangladesh do you find a similarity with Mandela, and how? I think the answer would be Bangabandhu, the father of the nation, because he also fought for the rights, for the freedom, for the nation, for the independence of the people of this country, and Mandela also fought for the freedom. So this is a similarity. Now evaluation: fill in the blanks in the given sentences. Icon means we discussed in the previous slides. After that refers to, it is also discussed. You just try to remember and write down the answer. And discrimination refers to the equal right and justice for all, I think. Nelson Mandela fought against racial discrimination. And Mandela was imprisoned for nearly how many years? Could you recollect the duration? I think it is 30 years. Okay. Now home assignment. Why is Nelson Mandela so famous? This is home work, and it will be written within 10 sentences. Okay. Be prepared on it, and thank you very much for your cooperation. I think you got pleasure from this class. I think in the next class we will meet again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.